Many Arkansans have noticed a slight shock to their bank accounts today. Today is the first day the federal government is issuing a monthly payment for the child tax credit. Our Jay Burr spoke with a couple of recipients of that payment. He joins us live tonight with more. Jay, how are people reacting?
Well, it was equal parts excitement and also take a deep breath and be smart about it. At least with the two single moms that I spoke with today, they say this will definitely help them in the long term, but also in the short term if they need it. Cassandra Glover is a single mom with a 3-year-old son. She got her child tax credit today and said it was a relief that she could use it to offset other costs.
Wanting to get my son in childcare, wanting to put money away for savings for if I have some incident like a car incident, or you never know what family something could happen, or medical costs.
She's worked her way out of poverty by getting her master's degree recently, but says she is still living check to check. The child tax payment alleviates much of that stress for her.
Gives you the ability to, I guess, live rather than exist.
Kristen Clark has an 8-year-old daughter and is stressing savings with her tax credit payment. She was able to put the full $250 in her daughter's savings account when normally she puts about a quarter of that away per month.
I didn't have to immediately put it towards a bill, but I could still make my student loan payments and then still put a big chunk in her savings account.
Both women prefer a monthly payment of the child tax credit instead of a bigger tax return only once a year.
I think it is a much better approach than this lump sum, at the beginning of the year.
That's once a year versus like something may happen tomorrow that may cause me to need the money.
Glover said there is a comfort in seeing the number go up in her savings account, especially if it's needed for an emergency.
Very excited to see it because, again, what did I do? I just transferred over to my savings account, but still knowing that it's there.
Clark said she didn't have a feeling of excitement, but rather responsibility, and said this will help her and her daughter in the long run.
It was less excitement and more like the financial responsibility mode really kicked in.
Now, there is actually an option on the IRS website if you do choose to opt out of the monthly payments and maybe get the bigger check at tax time. There also is a way to actually apply for the child tax credit if you didn't get a stimulus, and you may now qualify for the child tax credit. The Biden administration is looking to extend this through at least 2025. But for now, live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KARK 4 News.
Jay, thank you.